How to reset App Store balance to $0 on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your App Store balance to $0 on your iPhone. So if you have a small remaining balance and want to clear it, follow along. This method actually works. Let's get started. First, open Safari or any browser on your iPhone. Now go to this website, getsupport.apple.com. Once you're on the page, tap on Choose a Product. Next, select Billing and Subscriptions from the list under Apps and Services. Now tap on Subscriptions and Purchases. You'll see a list of options. Choose Unable to Purchase. This will take you to the Final Contact page. Under the Contact options, you might see Chat or Call. If both are available, you can pick whichever you prefer, so contact with their available services. I have to go with the Call. And wait a few minutes for Apple support to respond. Make sure not to close the tab or browser while waiting. Once they confirm, your balance should be reset to $0. That's all for the video. Leave a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.